To save in Photoshop, go to the top toolbar, File, Save or Save As. If you haven't saved it yet, it's going to have this save option. And then you're going to make sure you name it. So this is here's the kicker. A couple of things actually. The format, you want to leave the format as a Photoshop format. This will allow you to continue editing the mask. It'll let you undo things that you might have done the previous day. So keeping it as a Photoshop file keeps all those things editable. And then I want to put it in my Google Drive. So some of you it might look like this. So make sure this says Photoshop, and then this, make sure you always put it in your Google Drive. We don't want any lost files. So if you can't find your Google Drive, use this little arrow, scroll down, and click Google Drive, My Drive, and then find what folder you want to put it in. I'm putting everything from this year in this folder. Oh, but I accidentally saved it as Bitmoji Classroom. Always save it. No more untitled stuff. If you don't see your Google Drive over there, that means you need to reconnect it. If you can't see your Google Drive icon up here, you can either click on it to sign in, or you can go to your Launchpad and find the Google Drive icon and relaunch it that way. Okay, so once I have all that set, a name, a location, and the format, then I can click Save. You can go ahead and click OK. You can click Don't Show Again. And that is how you save.